Hello and welcome to our video about drop servicing for beginners. In this video, we'll discuss what drop servicing is, how it works, and how you can start your own drop servicing business from scratch. What is drop servicing? Drop servicing is a business model where you sell services to clients without actually performing them yourself. Instead, you outsource the work to a third-party service provider who completes the work on your behalf. This allows you to earn a profit without having to do any of the actual work. Well, how does drop servicing work? How does drop servicing is simple. First, you find a service that you think will be in demand, such as graphic design or social media management. Next, you find a provider who can perform the service at a high level. You then negotiate a price with the provider and agree on the terms of the service. Once you have a client who is interested in the service, you sell it to them at a higher price than what you negotiated with the provider. You then pass on the job to the provider and pay them the agreed upon price. The difference between what you charge the client and what you paid the provider is your profit. How to start your own drop servicing business? Starting your own drop servicing business is easier than you might think. Here are the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Choose a niche. Choose a service niche that you are familiar with or passionate about. This will make it easier for you to find good service providers and to market your business effectively. Step 2. Find service providers. Look for service providers who are reliable, efficient, and offer high-quality services. You can find providers through freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Step 3. Set your prices. Determine your pricing structure, taking into account the cost of the service and the profit you want to make. You need to be competitive with your pricing, but at the same time, ensure that you make a good profit. Step 4. Create your website. Create a professional website. Create a professional website that showcases your services and your price. Ensure that your website is user-friendly and has clear calls to action that will prompt potential clients to contact you. Step 5. Promote your business. Promote your business. Promote your business through social media, online ads, email marketing, and other digital marketing channels. The conclusion, drop servicing can be an excellent way to earn money online. By outsourcing the actual service work, you can focus on growing your business and maximizing your profits. With the right approach and effort, anyone can start a successful drop servicing business from scratch. Thank you for watching.